Hey there, future money managers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in fintech to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to send money from Venmo to Wells Fargo in 2025. With the rapid evolution of digital banking, this process has become faster and more secure than ever. Whether you're splitting bills with friends or transferring funds for personal use, I'll walk you through it step by step in just a couple of minutes. First things first, make sure you have both a Venmo account and a Wells Fargo account set up. In 2025, Venmo has integrated even better with major banks like Wells Fargo, so linking them is a breeze. Start by opening the Venmo app on your smartphone. It's available for both iOS and Android. Once you're logged in, head to the You tab at the bottom of the screen and tap on Settings. Look for the Banks and Cards section to ensure your Wells Fargo account is linked. If it's not, you'll need to add it by entering your Wells Fargo login details or using the instant verification option, which uses biometric security for added protection. Now, let's get to the transfer. Go back to the main screen and tap the Pay Request button. Instead of selecting a contact, choose the Transfer to Bank option. Enter the amount you want to send, and select your Wells Fargo account as the destination. Venmo might prompt you to confirm your identity with a fingerprint or face scan. It's all about that 2025 level security. Double-check the details, like the amount and recipient account, to avoid any mistakes. Hit Send, and you're good to go. Transfers typically take 1 to 2 business days, but with Venmo's instant options in 2025, you might see it right away for a small fee. One quick tip. Keep an eye on any fees associated with the transfer. Venmo is usually free for standard transfers, but instant ones might cost a bit. Also, if you run into issues, like account verification problems, contact Venmo or Wells Fargo support directly. They're super responsive these days. There you have it. Sending money from Venmo to Wells Fargo in 2025 is straightforward and secure. If this tutorial helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay savvy, and we'll see you in the next video.